Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another thrift with me video and we're going to switch it up a little bit. So typically I take you guys to Renew with me on Wednesdays whenever I work there, but I actually didn't work there this Wednesday. It's been like super like literally in the negatives temperatures here, and they basically just told me just hold off till next week. So anyway, I didn't go there this week, but I still wanted to get some thrifting in. So I'm actually at the Goodwill. I have not been to the Goodwill in months. Like, it's been so long. And so we're gonna head in there, see what we can find. I'm also wanting to go to the Salvation Army and potentially our local antique store. It's like my favorite one that I've taken you guys to before. And it's like 3:30 right now. I know Salvation Army and the Antique Warehouse closes at 5 o'clock. So we have about an hour and a half to accomplish all of these things. I just pulled up at the Goodwill, so we're gonna head inside to see what we can find. If I find anything, of course, I will have a haul, so stay tuned. But anyway, let's go thrifting. Okay, so I just left the Goodwill. They had a few things, but there was nothing that I was like crazy about. I left empty-handed. So yeah, next we're gonna go to the Salvation Army. Hopefully we will have a little more luck. We shall see. It's part of thrifting. You truly just never know. You can either leave with a cart full or you can leave with absolutely nothing. But I will say, from working at Renew, I think I've been spoiled, and just having Renew in the area in general. Like I said, this is the first time I had been to Goodwill in months, and I just wasn't impressed. It wasn't as organized as Renew is. It wasn't as clean. It didn't smell as nice. Honestly, the prices were so strange. Like, some things would be like, there was nothing that was just like $1, $2, $4, $6. It was all like $1.34, $25.67. I'm like, who is pricing this stuff? It's so strange. But anyways, I know there's been like a big like hype about Goodwill prices being like astronomically high. I didn't notice anything like that in there today, but they honestly didn't have much. So who knows, could just be a bad day for them. But either way, I'm going to the Salvation Army. The one in my area typically has such inexpensive prices. It's crazy. And same thing, sometimes I've left there with like a mountain of things, other times I've left there with nothing. So you guys are coming along with me on this adventure today. Hopefully we end up finding something. We shall see. I would say at the antique warehouse we will probably find a ton. I always find something there. But anyway, let's head to the Salvation Army now, and fingers crossed we have better luck. I'm very excited. So I feel like I just hit the jackpot. You guys know that I have been on the hunt for frames. Like, it's kind of becoming an obsession at this point, but I'm finding them so cheap that I like a variety, and then I can just decide what I'm doing with them later. You can never have enough frames, in my opinion. So you guys know we're doing that gallery wall in our living room currently, which we're getting closer. I still need to get baskets. That's another thing I'm hunting for today. But I found some beautiful frames. Let me get it out of this bag. They were so cheap. So I found this one, which is stunning. I feel like it's coming up way more gold on camera, but it's more like a brassy look, in my opinion. 50 cents, cannot beat it. This frame, which I also thought was beautiful. It's actually wood, but it has like a bronzy kind of like finish to it. 50 cents. I also found this frame, same kind of look, kind of has like the bronzy goldish finish. This one was $1. And then I'm assuming the cashier gave this to me for free because my total was only $2.19, and obviously what I just showed you was $2. So I found this vase that I thought was beautiful. So it's clearly like a DIY of some sort. It's glass on the bottom, but like it's like textured spray paint. But this was marked at $5, and he just gave it to me for free, which is amazing. I thought $5 was a great find, but free is even better. So anyways, it kind of has like the fluted look on there, and my plan is to just like paint this and, you know, give it a new little facelift. But I thought that this was really pretty as well. But yeah, $2.19, and we still have some time. I think it's like 4:30-ish, and the warehouse closes at 5, so we have 30 minutes. It's right down the road, so we're gonna head there now, and hopefully we can find just as many good things. Okay, we are walking into the warehouse antique mall. I have 20 minutes. So we're gonna hit up my favorite spots. Hopefully we find some good things. friends, we made it back to the car. Sorry that the lighting is like so weird. I'm in my car obviously, and it's getting dark outside, so everything's like very cloudy looking and not the best lighting. But anyways, I want to show you. I did end up buying those candle holders. I thought it was one for $12.99, and it was actually a set of two for $12.99. And I am so excited. I think that these are stunning. The ladies in there were talking about how they would be pretty like cleaned up, but honestly, I'm leaving them like this. I'll probably use this one way more than I will this one, simply because there's a lot of like tarnish on there and whatnot, but I just think they're stunning. So they are copper, and I'm very excited about that. So I think overall it was a good little thrift and antique day. Like I said, very random. Goodwill was a bust, but I'll obviously continue going back there to see what they have. Salvation Army, I was very pleased with what I found, especially for $2.19, and I got that vase for free. Can't beat it. And then for only being in the Warehouse Antique Mall for like, I don't know, 15 minutes, I think I was able to find some really good things. But I do want to mention, I love going in there so much. They have such pretty things. I didn't even show you guys a fraction of what they had, just simply because I was running out of time and they were about to close. But it just inspires me to keep going back in there and to keep filming for you guys and to keep shopping for my home, because they have such pretty things. I loved their furniture in there today, for one. Such beautiful pieces. I'm on the hunt currently for like a round table, just that has like some detail and stuff to it for our little like breakfast nook that we're making in the kitchen. I'm not sure if I've mentioned that on here before, but that'll be in an upcoming video. But anyways, I'm hunting for a table, and they just had such pretty pieces in there. And I also loved that like coat rack thing that I showed at the very end. That was super unique and really pretty, I thought. So many like brass pieces, wooden bowls, crock bowls, vases, like literally everything. There's just so much. So if you guys would like to see another antique with me video in that specific location, let me know down in the comments. And as always, I will continue my thrifting videos too. But I just love getting out and shopping and seeing like just new pieces, you know, that would be new to me, and just getting inspired for decorating my home. But overall, I think it was a great thrift day. I spent what, like $15, and I got 3 frames, a vase, and 2 candle holders. So I feel like that was a pretty good day. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would love to have you. If you're in the mood for more home decorating, more thrifting inspiration, antique finds, all of that, be sure to check out my winter 2024 playlist. I've been doing lots of inspiration for those specific topics here on my channel lately. That's pretty much what my channel is all about anyways at this point. But yeah, so anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I post, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.